Model, 2017 Peugeot Boxer 335 L3 Diesel 2.0 BlueHDi H2 Professional Van 130 PS Spares OR Repairs. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 156196. MOT, 17 June 2024. Engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine has seized, will need repairing or replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, air con, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures.